All right, welcome to Wednesday the 20th. We have an awesome warm-up for you. It's a nice time-based warm-up. So if you're playing at home and not in a Zoom class, this is really easy to set up with a timer on your phone. We're doing a Tabata style warm-up here. We got 4 movements, okay, which means we're going to go through 2 rounds of each movement, okay? A Tabata traditionally is 8 rounds of 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, okay? So here we go. Movement 1, toe tap to a medicine ball or a backpack or a dumbbell, whatever you have. So it's going to simulate kind of running in place here. Movement 2, air squats to a medicine ball. Now, if you don't have a medicine ball, you use a box or a bench or something. It's just to make sure that you're not bottoming out in that squat. We're trying to get to 12 inches off the ground, essentially, is what the medicine ball is there to do, to keep you from completely going too low, all right? Movement 3, alternating plank rolls with medicine ball or alternating taps to a backpack. Okay, so alternating a plank roll. So what that is in a plank position, you're moving something from one hand to the next. Move, 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 okay? Or alternating taps to a backpack. So that's just tap forward and put your hands back in place. So we're going to be moving those hands. Now, if you don't have any of those things, you can just do regular shoulder taps. That is A-okay. Movement 4, reverse body weight lunges. That just means you're going to stay in place and step backwards instead of forwards for these lunges, okay? We're going to go through that Tabata. That's going to take a total of 4 minutes to do. And then we'll take a short break and get into our next section, which is our workout. Let's see what it is. All right, so here we are with our workout. We have a wonderful AMRAP of 14 minutes. Now, it's an ascending set of reps, so each round the number's going to change. Med ball squat cleans, okay? So now if you don't have a medicine ball at home, you can use a backpack. You can use a set of dumbbells. You can use a kettlebell, okay? But we are going from the ground to the clean position and squatting and standing, okay? Now, if you can't do that full movement, you can do a regular power clean or just squats, okay? Med ball reverse lunges, that's holding on to something. So if you only have dumbbells or kettlebells, you're gonna hold them in a front rack position and do your reverse lunges. And then finally, alternating plank med ball taps. Again, if you only have a dumbbell, you're going to tap forward, back, all right? So we're going, first round is gonna be 4 reps of these, then 8, then 12, 16. We're gonna keep going until we hit 14 minutes. Now, if you get to the 20 and you get into the next round, it's up by sets of 4, okay? So you're just gonna add 4 for each additional round, okay? All right, hopefully you get through this all right, all the way through. I think everybody will be fine, all right? Now, if you don't have a med ball or a dumbbell or kettlebell, you can use a backpack for this, all the same movements. You can get a bag and just stuff like blankets into it and use that, that's fine. It doesn't have to be too heavy. This is really cardio-based for the most part, okay, rather than strength. All right, so we have a finisher today, so let's check out what our finisher is. All right, so here is our finisher. We have 2 minutes of a quad smash. So if you have a barbell at home or one of those kind of rollers, right, you're gonna roll out your quads, the front of your legs, per side, or going into a couch stretch. So that couch stretch is your rear leg propped up against something like this wall here, and then going down into a lunge position, okay? And stretching out those quads, all right? So a lot of quad love here. So it's 2 minutes per side, so 4 minutes total, okay? All right, so that's all we got for today for Wednesday the 20th. We're gonna go into movement demos next. We'll see you on Thursday's workout.